A very good evening to doctor and my fellow friends. Today I am going to uh, record a role play act between me and my friend. Before I would start about my recording, I would like to introduce about myself. My name is Manraj Singh. My metric number is 01 DDT 22F2086, and my role for this role play act is going to be customer support representative for Smart Home Solutions. Smart Home Solutions is a company that provides various smart home devices such as smart thermostats, security cameras, and lighting systems.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Harish Kumar Suryanathan. My metric number is 01 DDT 22F 2028. My role play is as a customer.
Thank you for calling Smart Home Solutions customer support service. Um, I hope you are having a great day. This is Manraj Singh speaking. I will be the customer support tasked to help you with your problems or any issues you're facing. So before we'd like to start, I'd like you to describe your problem that you're facing and let me know so that I can assist you throughout this conversation.
Hi, this is Harish. I recently purchased your smart home bundle and I'm having some issues with the devices.
Oh, that doesn't sound like a good thing. I'm very sorry, Arish, that you are facing this problem of yours that you just described to me. Um, Anyways, before wasting any more time, let's get this sorted out for you. Before we proceed with the next step of the conversation, could you let me know which devices for you are causing the trouble, and so that I can look more in depth to it, and that I can provide you with the solutions needed to overcome this problem that you're facing.
Well, the smart thermostat doesn't seem to be adjusting the temperature as I said it. Also, the security camera keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi, and the smart light sometimes don't respond to commands.
Oh, now I get it. Now I understand what you are trying to say about your problem. I got it now. Let's tackle this one at a time. Um, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the thermostat. Okay, so have you connected it to your Wi-Fi and configured it through our app? Can you please let me know so that I can look into it and further assist you with your issues that you're facing?
Yes, I follow the steps in the manual, but it's still not working properly.
Okay, so now I see what problem you're facing. I see. Sometimes the thermostat needs a firmware update for optimal performance. It like has to go through a certain update that it will help it run at the performance required to run the thermostat. So, uh, can you do me a favor? Could you open the smart home app and check if there's an update pending for the thermostat? Because I'm afraid that there might be any sort of update that you're missing, that you need to let it be done before you use this thermostat.
Let me check. Oh, there is an update available.
Great. I'm glad to hear that. If these solutions don't resolve the issues, you are free to call us again, and we will guide you through it again. And also, we'll escalate the case further to our technical team because who knows that they might potentially figure out a solution for your issue.
Alright, I'll do that after this call.
Okay, perfect. Glad to have you back with for our call session for this issue guide process. Now let's address the security camera issue. Um, when does it usually disconnect from your Wi-Fi? Like I mean the security camera that connects to your Wi-Fi. When does it usually disconnect? Because I really need to know before I proceed with the next step that needs to be done for this troubleshooting. Could you let me know, please?
It seems random, but mostly in the evenings.
I see, I see. So that's your problem. Don't you think that uh, that random disconnect in the evenings could be potentially due to network congestion or your Wi-Fi signal, for example, being weak? Because that's from my experience. I mean, that's the most common issue faced by customers, that the random disconnects are due to how do you say, like your internet is being interrupted, or many people are using it, or there's interruption with the Wi-Fi. So is by the way, let me ask you this: is the camera far from your router?
Yes, it's installed in my backyard, quite a distance from the router.
Now I see. That, I think, explains it, to be honest. You might want to consider installing a Wi-Fi extender to boost the signal to that area, because sometimes if the router is quite far at a distance, it usually tends to disconnect at a very frequent basis, because how these Wi-Fi signals are kind of sensitive. So you might want to consider installing a Wi-Fi extender to boost the signal to that area. In the meantime, try moving the camera closer to the router to see if the issue improves.
Alright, I try that.
Okay, finally, about the smart lights. Do they fail to respond through the app, voice commands, or both? Please do let me know how they fail to respond, because then I can figure out the solution for your issue.
Both. It's frustrating because I brought them specifically for convenience.
Oh, take it easy, Arish. I understand your frustration. Let me say this to you, that sometimes this happens if the lights lose connection with the hub. Could you please try resetting one light by turning it off for 10 seconds and then probably turning it back on? If it works after doing so, you may need to reset the others using the same way you just did previously. Uh, can you please try that and let me know?
Alright, I'll give that a try.
Also, before I forget, um, make sure the hub is in an open area. For example, like away from other electronic devices that might interfere with the signal, because the interrupt if it's like close to each other, or it's not, it's in a a closed area, it can interfere with other signals and thus cause some further issues that then will also complicate our troubleshooting process.
Got it. I'll check that too.
Oh, okay, that's great. Yeah, you can go ahead and install that real quick before we proceed with our next step. By the way, let me remind you that once it's done, you can try adjust. You should try adjusting the temperature again. And if the issue still persists, even though after the update has been done and you adjusting the temperature, the I might think that the problem might not only be with the update, but it also might be that the sensors might need recalibration. And don't worry, I can guide you through that process.
Thanks, Manraj. You have been really helpful.
It's no problem. It's my pleasure, honestly. It's Before we wrap up, Arish, do you have any other questions or concerns that you would like to ask me, so that I can maybe also assist you, since we're having this call session?
Not at the moment.
Okay, all right then. Thank you for choosing Smart Home Solutions, Arish. I hope your issues get resolved, and if not, don't fret it. We are here to assist you any day, anytime. I hope you have a great day, and please take care of yourself. Thanks for calling us again.
Thanks. You too.